CWW is an idea that is materialized in a conference format. And the idea is to give sign of equality between the issues related to climate change, energy transition, adaptation, mitigation, and biodiversity protection.
The first time I heard about the CWW was in 2011. So for me, it was a place to hear what the impacts are, to find possible solutions, methodologies. It was really important point of the development of the wind farm story in Croatia.
CWW is important because if we're going to solve the challenges of deploying renewable energy globally, and these challenges include impacts to wildlife, include impacts to habitats, scientists need to collaborate, and they need to collaborate with policymakers, regulators. They need to collaborate with nature conservation organizations. They need to collaborate with the finance institutions that are funding the development of projects.
It's not a trade conference, it's not a business conference, it's not a classical scientific conference. It's a specific format invented by people who attend it. It brings people from all over the world to identify, point to, and try to resolve issues related to its primary subject.
Now here we are in 2023 and we have CWW in Croatia.
This is the CWW with the highest presence of attendance, but also the highest number of younger researchers who are eager to learn and work in this crucial field for the conservation of wildlife impacted by wind energy.
When we were organizing this year's conference, we made an analysis of the topics missing. And of course, we were focused on getting the best scientific knowledge from those topics to get the best experts. We were working on a program to get it on higher level than ever before.
One of the main takeaways from this CWW has been appearance of bats on main stage. Bats have been mentioned, but they were always in the backstage, and this time they're on.
My hopes for CWW in the future are that CWW remains a nonprofit effort to bring together all of these different important segments of our sector.
The CWW is going to go on in the future along with the issues it deals with and not lose its spirit.
This spirit of fostering an environment that's fun, enables people to open up to each other, and we don't lose sight of the key aspect of CWW, that it's focused on the science.
We hope that future CWW will do a huge step forward from us because we did a lot, but there's so much to do.
Thank you so much for participating in the 7th CWW conference. On behalf of the whole Scientific Advisory Committee, we appreciate all of the participation and support from our community, and we greatly appreciate the support of CWW through all of the sponsors. Thanks so much.